Hello once again, this is our first lecture based on Geogebra. Geogebra is a free and dynamic mathematics software that combines the capabilities of a dynamic geometry system with a computer algebra system. It was first developed in 2001 by Marcus Hohenwater, a professor of mathematics at Salzburg University of Education, and has since grown into a popular tool for students, teachers, and researchers alike. GeoGebra is particularly useful in education setting as it allows students to explore mathematical concepts through interactive graphics and animation, and provides teachers with tools for creating custom lesson plans and activities. The software supports a wide range of mathematical topics, including GeoGebra, geometry, calculus, statistics, and more. One of the key features of GeoGebra is its ability to create and manipulate mathematical objects in real time, and help users to experiment with different scenarios and visualize complex mathematical concepts more intuitively. The software is available in both desktop and web-based versions and can be used on a variety of platforms including Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and mobile devices. So this is the GeoGebra website. So you can just type on search engine GeoGebra. Here you can start calculate or just go to the classroom resources. We will first try this. Here you will get different form of writing numbers, different kind of symbol, different kind of functions, and the letters, and again different kind of symbols as well. Subset belongs to infinite, etc. If you are preparing a Excel sheet or an assignment sheet or any kind of sheet regarding mathematics or higher education mathematics, please definitely use this app, this platform. So here we have three buttons, three toolbars. One is algebra, another one is tools, and the last one is table. We can add anything on table that will be formed completely on graph. We can use any tool like move, cursor. We can use point. When we start pointing somewhere, then we get the coordinate as well. We can use slider as well. We can put value, any value here, and interval here, slider here. If we want animation, we can do that too. Axis intersect. If we want to make anything over here, so basically we need some points here to make intersection, extremum, roots, and best fit lines. When we have multiple of points, then this, if we click on this icon, then we will get a best fit line over the graph. We can use to make angle in degree from this block, this column, this bar. We can find the area from here, distance or length from here, reflect about lines, reflect about points, translate by vectors, midpoint or center of something. We can make perpendicular line. We just point somewhere, and this, if we make a line, first of all we have to create a line, then we will make perpendicular over it. Here are given some coordinates which point we created just now. If we delete, then we can use this. So from here we can make a line segment like this. We can make another line segment to make a triangle. In the algebra, we get the points labeled here. So we can make a line with this point to make the alignment with the point. So we can make a ray as well. We can make a vector from here using in physics or in maths as well. Now let's create some tangent, but we have to make circle before that. So let's find out the circle. So let's try first of all finding the angles. We will click first here, then this side. This will give us the angle of E. Then again taking the adjacent sides of a triangle, we will get angle. So again we have to click on the angle button. Angle, we get the angle. Now again clicking on this button, we can add the text if we want. A sum of the angles by angle 80 degree. We can use degree from here. So he is saying that name, we need to write not any statement but the new name of the angle. So we can make the name of the angle is Z or X, but first of all we have to command over it now before writing something. So we can select anything like this and place it somewhere else, like here. We can hide or show some labels, we can delete something, we can zoom in and zoom out. So I think it is a great tool for student and teacher as well as to make a worksheet in mathematics. So we can make parabola, line and other thing as well as circle, triangle. If I want to create a circle, I can make any circle of any radius or diameter. Compass circle के लिए, for the compass circle, so for compass we can select it. We can make semicircle as well as, so we can select 2 points, then this will create circle by compass like the name mentioned. And if we want to create a semicircle, then we can use 2 points. So this is how we can create something. So a very good tool. Here we can change the basic, the x-axis, y-axis or grid, the dimension, the grid, the color, the font style, the label style, anything we want. So we can hover our cursor and try to explore it more so as to get the better use of it. If we don't want something, we can delete from here as well as we can label some points and create it. One more thing, that before writing here any point which we want to draw on the graph, then first of all we have to that point, then just write equals, then make bracket, then in the bracket we will write the point like the examples given here. Or I can show you like this. We can use the label of Z, then we will write equals to, or we can use this sign. Let's see, first is equals to, then bracket, then 2 comma 2 bracket close. We can make matrix as well as endpoints. Mandate to use comma and y-axis. This point name should be C. So yeah, that's how we can make. So you can experiment on it. So these all are graphing style. We can use 3D calculator as well as we can make some point over here. We can add some geometrical shape. Even we can make graph over here as well. Make grids also like this and edit whatever we want to add. We can use XCAS, like we can write anything in numerical or functional form, then this will be drawn over there. And at last, in probability, we can find the graph of something which we are making. Thank you.